In this video, I'm going to show you how to use data store in make.com. Now, this should be a quick and easy process video. All you have to do is to follow these instructions step by step. So now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. The first thing you need to do is to sign in the make.com website. Just go ahead, sign in, click on sign in with Google or Facebook or whatever you want. Then choose your email. After that, click on continue and just give it some time. Now just choose your country and everything. Then click on sign up for free. After that, just choose where did you hear about Make. Let's say, for example, YouTube. Then explain your experience with automated workflow. If you have no experience, click on this. Then choose the size of your organization. After that, choose the apps where you are planning to use your automation. Let's say, for example, these ones. Then click on continue. After that, if you want to write anything here, if not, just click on get started. Then just give it some time to load and you will be good to go. After that, I will show you how to use data store inside of make.com. So just give it some time. And now, as you can see at the left side, here you can create the data store. As you can see here, it starts with HTTP to JSON to data store. You can start with the guided setup or to create new scenario from template. So click on the one you like. And after that, just give it a moment to load and you can start creating right away. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.